Hello. Hey guys, and happy Sunday. How are you? I just got back from the grocery store. This is Healthy Life with Kimmi. In case you're new to my channel, I discuss all things about my healthy weight loss journey. I'm on a journey to become healthier, not necessarily thinking about the weight and the scale, but just make better choices. So, today was my first day going to the grocery store on WW. Weight Watchers, for those of you who don't know what that is. And I want to say the app made me make different choices. So there is a QR code on the app when you go to the grocery store or restaurants or wherever. If a package has a QR code on it, the little scan that the cashier uses, you can scan it and see how many points it is before you buy it. So it got me to thinking, if I scan right now, it'll help me make a better choice when I take the package home, open it, and get ready to eat it. Because a lot of times what we tend to do, I know what my tendency was, is I'll buy it at the store. Then I worry about it after I eat it, what effect it's going to have. But I must admit, it was liberating and free. If you have not watched my other video about me not liking structure, go back and check it out, because at the grocery store today, I put in it was a box of rice that I wanted. And we already know prepackaged foods is going to have a higher point on it. But I made a different choice because that one had I don't know, maybe 8 points in it, probably by the time you add butter and all that extra stuff. But then I found another one that was only 3 points. So when I add my ground turkey to it, have something green on the side, that meal is only going to be 3 points because I don't have to count the ground turkey. So I'm just seeing how important it is to make better choices on the front end. And like I said, instead of bringing the groceries home and then you say, oh, I wish I shouldn't have bought that. Well, no, if you go ahead and use the app while you're at the store, it'll help you to see you probably don't need to buy it. Or it's okay if you do, or you know you're going to buy it and know how many points you'll be using for that day. So this is my first time. Like I said, I went to the grocery store on WW. I did buy more vegetables today. I bought some green peppers, yellow peppers. I bought some shredded lettuce because we're going to do turkey tacos or nachos tonight for dinner. So I'm really trying to focus on those 0 points. And excuse me, I'm outside. I'm in Georgia and this pollen is crazy. So anyway, yeah, so I really like to focus on those 0 points and to kind of fluff my meal out. That way I could feel satisfied. Because yesterday I ate 2 slices of pizza. I took the cheese off because I have a dairy problem. And I kind of just ate the bread, but I felt bad. My knees ached. It was a chain pizza place, so it didn't go well. Here come the ice cream truck. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. He's going the other direction. So I was eating his pizza yesterday, and like I said, it didn't go well because my body was aching the next day, probably the gluten or whatever's in it. And I'm still not feeling 100. You know, I told you guys I have acid reflux sometimes. So I'm just trying to make a better choice today. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to share with you. So my point for today's video is, when you go to the grocery store, and again, this was my first time since I've been on WW, but when you go to the store, check the package out before you bring it home versus waiting until you bring it home. And then you're like, oh, I hate I bought that. You know, so use the WW scanner on your phone or tablet or whatever you have. Well, until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Check out my other videos. Again, I'll be bringing you tips. And my weigh-in is coming up on Thursday. Good, bad, or ugly, I'm going to tell y'all what it is. I'm going to be honest the whole journey. I always say I'm not going to do it perfectly. But your girl ain't giving up. It's only week 1, right? I got this. Thanks to you guys. And I have loved your comments. I must admit, your comments have been so inspiring. Many of you are already doing Weight Watchers, and your points that you're sharing with me. I did a video about should I keep my larger size clothes. The comments were amazing. I did another video, should I even count my 0 points? Excuse me. And the consensus was, everybody had mixed feelings about that. But one point one viewer made is that they keep track of their 0 points because it helps give them accounting. If they realize that their scale is going up or too much is going on in the wrong direction, now you need to go back and examine maybe even the 0. because zero is not really zero. It is, but you know, if you eat enough of zero, whatever it is on the zero list, it can still add up because everything has a calorie to it. We know that. So until next time, guys, again, I'm just sharing my journey with you. Make your better choices on the front end so you don't have to feel bad on the back end. All right. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.